therapy cannot be applied in case of acute depression, right?
Okay.
Fine. What we need is that these therapists, they must learn something new,
Exactly.
which goes with the trend of the world,
Yes.
which goes with the pace of the problems that are coming.
Absolutely.
They would be able to solve people's problem in a quicker, shorter period of time. Plus, the huge amount of patients that come to a psychiatrist or psychologist, they would be able to cope up with them. Most psychologists and psychiatrists cannot cope up with the alarming number of patients that come every
it's
day.
going up.
It's
going up in
It's
this
going up.
country because of
Yeah.
various reasons. You know, be it unemployment, be it poverty, be it illiteracy, whatever. The graph is growing rapidly. So I think our psychiatrists and psychologists, that's a very sincere, suggestion to them that they should come forward, and life would become much easier for the patient as well as the doctor.
And they're best people, because a doctor, a psychiatrist, a psychologist is a qualified person.
Exactly.
If they were to learn these skills, they are much better equipped with these skills, and they can do wonders.
Absolutely. Professor Saab, ye bataiye, you also offer Reiki and Silva. Just very briefly, what is Reiki and what is Silva?
Okay, while I was becoming a trainer of Silva in Laredo, Texas, I happened to come across a lady giving Reiki to a gentleman. And I asked them what was it, and they explained it to me, and I learned Reiki. Reiki is an art of healing by which you can heal a person through the energy that comes out or transmits out of your palm. It is again
every human being.
If you are attuned, you have to go through a process of attunement. Once you are attuned, then the energy can come out from your palm, and anybody who has suffered from any chronic acute cases, or in case of emergency, it can help save the life of a patient until medical help arrives. In case of bleeding, hemorrhaging, myocardial infarction, heart attack, if a person knows Reiki, he can place his hand on the heart of the person until medical help arrives. The heart will have least damage. This has been proved. And the reason why Reiki became very popular was in the United States, they administered Reiki to a lot of patients undergoing chemotherapy, cancer patients. And they found out that the people who were given Reiki, they had lesser side effects of chemotherapy than those compared to others who were having more side effects. And Reiki is something totally harmless. You just need to be trained and attuned and place your hands wherever the problem is, whether it is self or others.
Whether it's pain, wherever there is
pain, any kind of disease, disability, ailments. And again, there is a gentleman in Karachi who owns an industry, and this again is the most remarkable, shocking thing I have ever heard about Reiki. He comes to me about 1.5 years back and says he wants to learn Reiki. He's a very businessman, he runs the industries, but he wants to learn, so I taught him Reiki. And then he keeps on coming, he'll learn that different levels in Reiki. He learned level 2, then he became a Reiki master. Just recently, I was invited at his home for a dinner. We were having a Silva get-together. So he took me into his home, and he took me into a room. And there in the room was sitting a very old lady. She was about to have a dinner. वो ट्रे और खाना रखा हुआ था. तो he introduced me कि ये मेरी माँ है. मैंने कहा thank you very much. बैठ गया मैं थोड़ी देर. कहता है इसके पैर देखें इनके. Look at her legs. Perfectly normal. मुझसे कहता, can you believe it? 1.5 years back when I came here because I had no choice. A doctor had said that your mother's legs have to be amputated because she has got severe gangrene. And for 6 months they tried every possible medical procedure to save her legs from being amputated. And finally the doctor said, we can't. If you want to save her life, we have to chop her legs below the knees. So in desperation he came to know about me. He learned Reiki. Her mother was also highly diabetic. Insulin dependent. That makes it worse. He did Reiki, and I have to find a son who is so committed and so loving. He would give Reiki twice a day to his mother, 40 minutes on her legs. In 1 year, the gangrene was gone. And apart from gangrene, the diabetes was completely cured. She was having, I saw on a plate pieces of sweets, and now then I wondered, I said, this is why she's having sweet, because she doesn't have any diabetes. So these are remarkable results.
Absolutely.
And people just need to
know about
it,
experience it. Need to be aware about it, you know, and they're not going to be aware till, you know, more, programs like this are sort of brought forward and people know how to help themselves and people around them. Silva, bataiye kya hai?
Okay, Silva, it so happened that I came to know about Silva, and I became a trainer about 11 years back, 12 years back. But I never did Silva because I was given the territory of Iran and Central Asian Republic. Silva is a program which was developed in the early 40s by a person who never went to school. He never went to school. But when he went to university, he was teaching American scientists
Oh my goodness.
about the human brain and the frequency range in the human brain.